companies. I'm now co-founder of a company called Skin IQ, which is a little bit more direct-to-consumer oriented. And what we do is we help people better manage their skin conditions, starting with acne, and we'll move into other skin conditions as well. Like, I'm looking for somebody else to tell me what's fake news.
Okay.
Yes, I want you to create,
Yeah.
to be the curator of news, right? So like if I, hang on Facebook sometimes, right?
Right.
Have all this news. Gosh, is that real or not?
Yeah.
Because we consume so much from the media, right? So I don't have cable TV either. I don't have time to read the newspaper.
I don't know. That probably needs work.
It's
right?
That's not in your value prop.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
Right, because you kind of feel like I've spent 15 minutes reading this long article, and then I realize, like, okay, I just wasted my time.
Okay. So, so that's good. I'm glad we had this discussion.